HVAC quick tips, sheave wear. So if you take a look at the sheave, we already know that this belt was riding much lower on this, as well as having uneven wear on the sheave there, because you could see it on the belt. So if we go over to the sheave, I can show you using my little precision screwdriver here. If I kind of go from edge to edge here, you see that I've got more of a gap there, more of a gap there. That's the best visual representation. You can see it when you're looking at it, but obviously the camera is not doing a great job of showing it or focusing. So this sheave has been worn down with where that belt was riding, and so now we need to replace the sheave. The pulley, however, look at this one here, much smaller of a gap there, pretty much non-existent. You can see that right down there. And that's how it should be, those surfaces, so that's another thing to check for. So there's definitely some bearing noise going on in that motor here, as you can see from that belt being loose as well. You can see that vibration has actually caused that mount to break.